Further upstream, a team get a signal from another female they witnessed in a breeding pool several weeks ago.
I think she's in that direction. Yeah, we're getting closer to her.
I can't see her anywhere up on the bank, which is where I'd expect her to be. So whereabouts is she, Juliana?
We can't see her in the river bank, so she's probably under the water.
She's in the water.
To see if she's pregnant, there's no choice but to get in. This huge female is at least 7 meters long.
That snake is massive. And you know what, I think she looks even bigger than normal. What I thought was a tree trunk was the body of this snake. I can clearly see a huge bulge, which means that she's pregnant.
The largest can give birth to up to 50 live young. A new generation of big predators bodes well for the future of this delicately balanced ecosystem.
That is an incredible beast.
Today, the Green Anaconda is the heaviest snake in the world.